Good morning, Light Riders. My name is Dan, and this is another edition of Magical Healing Mornings, the place where I get you up, off, and out the door with a shot of love and light to start your busy, beautiful day. All right, good Monday morning. Let's get some energy going. Let's get some prana flowing. Get our week started. Take a nice deep breath in and feel that Monday morning clean slate energy just coming right into you. And then a nice deep exhale. Clear out the whole weekend. All the fun we had. We're going to have more fun during the week, so. Another deep breath in. Pull those shoulders back. Open up that chest. Let's open up that heart chakra because we're going to need it today. And then a nice deep breath out. Clear some space. And then lastly, one more deep breath in. All the way down to the pit of your stomach. Breathe it in. All that prana, all that Monday morning fresh energy. And then a nice long exhale. Clear it all out. Get comfortable, settle in. Back straight, feet flat on the floor, eyes open or closed. And what I would like to do is start, as I always like to, with our heart chakra. Just feel some love there. Love for Monday, love for your life, love for the planet. Because we're going to work with her today. So just open up that heart chakra. Just be grateful, be happy, be in love. Take a few deep breaths in. Get that heart chakra open, make it nice and bright. And on the exhale, just let the energy radiate out. Like a miniature sun. Make that pink, just for good measure. Now what I'd like you to do, while still focused on your heart chakra, I'd like you to feel the soles of your feet, the soft part, the arch, opening up, because you have chakras there too. And you know we're going to put down some roots. And on the in-breath, I want you to make it so bright in your heart. And on the exhale, I want you to focus on your foot chakras again. And just send roots down. In-breath bright. Exhale, roots go down. And they go down deep. They go past rocks. They go through the mud. They go through the cracks in the pavement. They go through everything. The roots go all the way down. They go for miles. Thousands and thousands of miles to get to the core of the earth. Imagine that distance. Miles and miles of this energy, these roots coming out of your feet, pushing through the beautiful warm earth until they come to Gaia's crystalline core. I'd like you to wrap them around it. I'd like you to give that core a big hug with your roots. Show Gaia some love. She loves you so much. She does so much for us. Let's show her some love too. Just send all that light down there. Now I'd like you to start to feel the exchange of energy. I'd like you to feel her energy loving you back. Starting at the tips of the roots and working its way up. Feel this beautiful, warm, loving energy all the way up the roots into the soles of your feet, into your feet themselves. Just feel it tingling and vibrating and just giving you love. Your ankles, shins, calves, all the way up to your knees, your thighs, your hips. Now it starts to come into your body and all your organs. And one by one, they start lighting up with love. Gaia's love. The love from Pachamama, our Mother Earth. This is a global peace meditation, so we're doing this for her, and she's just fueling us up. All the way up liver, heart, lungs. You can feel her beautiful green energy in your arms, shoulders, neck. It starts to move up into your head. Now you're completely full. You and Gaia are one. And it feels so nice. You're so grounded. You're so part of the earth. That's when you notice a figure in your space coming toward you. A beautiful, flowing figure made of energy. Getting closer and closer. It's this beautiful woman, all clad in white. She smiles and beckons you to come take her hand. So you go over and you do. And as soon as you touch her hand, boom, these giant wings appear. And she smiles. And she whisks you off, up into the sky. Hand in hand, the two of you fly. You see landmarks in your neighborhood from a bird's eye view. They get smaller and smaller as she goes higher and higher and takes you with her. Feel the beautiful morning air, the cool breezes, the warmth of the sun as it peeks over the earth, bringing light, sustenance, and new life to the surface of the planet. Without a care, two of you fly over the surface, hand in hand, gliding on the currents. And she points and she tells you to look down. And out of nowhere, a little glimmer of light appears, like a firefly. Very curious. And then you see another, and then another. And you realize as you're flying over, there's more and more and more, popping up everywhere. The angel explains to you, these are your brothers and sisters, all joining you, all pouring out their hearts for peace, for love of the planet, for love of each other. And as the two of you fly over the planet, you see more and more and more. They keep popping up everywhere, all on the horizon, more and more. The surface of Gaia has more specks of light than stars in the sky. These beautiful little golden spheres, the hearts of all your brothers and sisters who stand by you, who stand with you to bring peace, to bring enlightenment, to bring love back to Gaia. Come back around, you recognize your neighborhood as the two of you start to descend. You touch down gently in your sacred space, and the angel gives you a big hug. She wraps her wings around you and thanks you for your help and your love. She bids you farewell, but before she vanishes off into the morning mist, she extends her hand, and in it is a heart-shaped ball of light. She gives it to you. It says to keep this in your heart as a memento, as a souvenir, as a gift for all the hard work you did today, for helping bring peace to this planet. You take the heart into your hand and place it over your own. And you can revisit that anytime you want through the course of the day, the week, the month, as a fond memory of everything that happened here today. With that, she dissolves off into the mist, and you return to your 3D space. Wiggle your fingers, you wiggle your toes. You take a bow. You thank Gaia and you thank the angel. And you take one moment just to feel that little heart-shaped ball of light inside of you. Have a great week, my friends. Love and light.